Okay, I just found the crack in the primary drain pan. This is the back of the coil. If you see there, that is the crack. I'm gonna pour some water down, and that's where the water goes. That's where the water's flowing. Okay, that's the crack. That needs to be replaced. And let's get out of there. Okay, we're inside the coil. Now we're gonna see the secondary drain pan, which is really rusted out. There is rust all inside this unit. This is the inside of the furnace cabinet. Okay, this is what it looks like. There's been water dripping into this cabinet. Okay, now we're going to look at the motor. Okay, this is the motor. All the motor's rusted out. It's in bad shape. And I'm just showing you how rusted it is. The blades don't look too bad, but the motor is rusted out bad. The inside of the cabinet one more time. Okay, secondary drain pan. Secondary drain pan. Inside the cabinet one more time. Bad condition. That's the inside. Alrighty.